Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. Today I'm gonna show you how can you access those websites that are blocked in your region. For example, now our we cannot access Facebook, Instagram, YouTube's. So for example, when I click on, I type youtube.com, we cannot access. Facebook.com is also not accessible. Okay, you can see here it says connect to internet, and it is not that we do not have internet here. For example, I can show you fast.com. Here we can see my internet is running. So let's say how instagram.com is not opening too. So how to resolve this without using VPN, because VPN makes your internet slow. So I'm gonna show you how to use DNS and proxy. So first of all, let's search control panel, guys. Okay, you can see here control panel, and then we have to go to network and internet, then network and sharing center, then adapter settings. Then you can see here Wi-Fi, Ethernet. If you are using Ethernet, go here, and if since I am using Wi-Fi, so I will go here. Then I will go to properties. Then I will find internet protocol version 4, IPv4. So I click here properties. Then here you can see obtain DNS server address automatically. So I will click and use the following DNS server addresses. So I will use here 8.8.8.8. This is Google's DNS, and alternate DNS I will use 1.1.1.1. So when I click OK and close it, I have closed it, and now you can see if I click YouTube, you can see my YouTube is running, and internet speed is also again the same will be it is. So you can see, so it is showing 50 Mbps. So our internet speed has also not decreased or not downgraded, but I can use those websites that I was not able to use before. So, and you can see Facebook will be also runnable now. Okay guys, Facebook is also runnable. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and share this video to your friends so that they can also enjoy this. Thank you.